This is a breaking news alert from LELTA. We interrupt this broadcast with breaking news.
Whoa, breaking news!
Let's watch. Breaking news! A new English course is now available for beginners. Wow, and you can learn English from the beginning and start speaking with simple sentences.
Wow, that's cool!
This video course helps beginners speak English step by step. Oh, that sounds interesting.
Yes, I want to improve my English too.
How much is the course?
The normal price is 12,000 rupees. But these days, you can buy it for only 1,200 rupees.
Wow, that is a big discount.
Yes, that is a great opportunity to learn English.
Let's get the course and start learning today.
Start learning today and begin speaking English with confidence.